In 2024, we did more business than in any other year previous. So, in addition to doing three times as much work ourselves on every project, we also did more projects than we had ever done before. So, Dynamico has been extremely involved in each step of this. Brendan and Kristen actually installed Windows into their porch. We got to talking and they mentioned to me, oh, we have a company that we use HubSpot, we build websites. And I said, well, that's for fancy businesses, or I do it all myself. But a few years later, as we started growing, and then I had a few employees, and then I reached out and talked to Brendan and said, hey, you remember me? I think I'm ready to take that step to actually having a partner that can help me, because I can't do everything by myself. And Dynamico basically threw my serviceable website into the dustbin of time and created a professional website. We almost immediately saw the increase in leads and sales. I mean, it was remarkable how quickly that happened. And it was a little bit of a leap of faith at first, to put aside money every month for that purpose. You got to spend the money before you get the results. And so it's a little scary to put that money out and hope that the results will be there. But they were right away. And Dynamico helped me create a lot of automation through HubSpot. At the time, I was still the only salesperson. Let's say I did an estimate for a potential customer. I was not going back and following up with those people to even check that they received it, or did they have any question. I don't have time to do any of that. Like, if the people want to buy something, they'll call me. They know where to find me. And we were able to do better than that by creating some of that nurturing as automation in HubSpot. So I was doing the work of at least 2 sales staff, maybe even 3, but I was able to do it by myself because of that automation and the tools in HubSpot that Dynamico helped me utilize. So that was huge in the beginning, and we're doing that exact same thing now, just at a bigger scale. So I actually do have 3 salespeople now, and they're probably doing the work of 6 salespeople because we've continued to use those HubSpot tools. The amount of money that I'm saving from having to hire more people to do those tasks, that's more than paying for itself.